Hello everybody, welcome to the AR world. I hope that you are doing amazing and you're staying very healthy. So this is the review session of CBSE Class 10 English Term 2 Board Exam 2022 that I had given today, and I'm really very happy after giving my first exam. Though I was nervous initially, but as soon as I got my question paper in my hand, I skimmed through it and found it to be the easiest CBSE could ever make. I went through the previous year questions the night before, and I found out some questions were a bit tricky. But this year we got a set of easy questions. I got set 2, which had unseen comprehension, which was very easy, Milkha Singh 1 and JK Rowling 1. If you go through the sample paper, then that technology related unseen comprehension was seriously dreadful. That was ridiculous because the answers were not given directly in the passage, and you had to read the passage at least 10 times to find out the correct answer. Even the marking scheme said strictly that if you're going to copy the answers from the text, you won't be awarded with the marks. But this time we had all our answers from the text, and I did modify my answers and then I wrote them down. So this was the set of mine, English, set 2. So first, talking about the reading comprehension section, Milkha Singh one was pretty easy. All the questions were direct and I knew all the 6. So I attempted any 5 about which I was confident. So that was very easy. So I'm expecting full in this at least. Then we had JK Rowling's story, again a very interesting one. So that was also easy, I guess. I was just not able to find insecure and helpless, so I left this question and I attempted the rest. So it was nice, and I'm expecting full in this also, most probably, if I haven't done something wrong or if the checking is not very strict. So reading comprehension overall, which used to give us the problem, and it even was the toughest in term 1, turned out to be the easiest in term 2. That is the contrast that it is giving to term 1, term 2 exam. Then in section B, that was writing and grammar, I attempted the letter as I attempted in all my pre-boards and sample papers, because I never understood analytical paragraph. So the letter was very easy, placing an order for social studies books, grade 6 to 8. And you had to mention library discount, mode of payment, date of delivery, that I had mentioned. So it was easy, and if everything is fine, then we will be awarded with full marks. Actually, when your paper is easy, then the checking might not be that lenient according to me. So let's see what happens, because in languages you can never be sure of getting full. In mathematics and science you can be sure if your answer is correct, if you've included all the points. But in languages, still there is a scope of deduction of marks. So let's see what happens. Grammar was again easy. Reported speech, direct, nothing was tricky this time. And editing also easy. We did not get omission. I'm very happy. I was just scared if there was omission. I hadn't practiced that. So I was lucky enough, this time enough, that I did not get the omission one. So this was also easy. You can see the editing part, which I had done. Now coming to the most important section and the favorite section of everybody, literature. So literature was to the point. NCERT based questions, you could not find any question out of NCERT. But you know that long answer type questions are more of interpretative or extrapolative, right? So this was easy. I attempted 6. I knew all of them in question number 6. And I think that I've mentioned all the points and I haven't exceeded the word limit also. I jotted down all the points that I read from my NCERT, and sample papers literally helped me a lot, right? And answer 7, that was long answer type questions. I had attempted Natalia 1 and Bholi 1, because in Wali I actually forgot the format of diary entry. That's why I attempted the last 2. And in this, generally we do not get full marks. We get 3.5 or 3.34. So I pray that I get full marks in this section, and then it's done. So we come to the end of the paper. Do share your experience of giving the board exam, and remember, whether it is good or bad, you have given your 100%. So we need not have to worry about the results at all, because this can deteriorate our performance in the upcoming exams. So make sure that you study well for mathematics exam and rock, right? Because in mathematics you can easily score full. Okay, so I sign off. I'm signing it off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.